Tired of drowning in Peachtree data and wishing you could wrangle just the right info into a neat, easy-to-use Excel spreadsheet? Alright, let's dive right in first. Open Peachtree and navigate to the Inventory and Services Navigation Center. This is where all your item information lives. Click on the Items and Price icon. This opens the item list window, displaying all your inventory items. Now, you likely don't need everything. Use the filter feature, usually found near the top of the window, or simply scroll through the list to locate the specific items you want to export. Once you've identified your items, click the Report button at the top. A list of report options will appear now. This is the tricky part. We won't use the Quick Export button. In the report list, filter down to an inventory report with details like the Inventory Valuation Report. Select the report and click Preview. Once the report loads, locate the Export option. It might be an icon or a drop-down menu labeled Export or Save as. Click the Export button now. This is where the magic happens. From the Save as Type drop-down menu, choose Microsoft Excel Workbook XLSX. Give your file a meaningful name and select where you want to save it, then click Save. And there you have it. Your selected item data is now in an Excel spreadsheet, ready for you to sort, filter, analyze, and present however you need. That's how you export specific item data from Peachtree to Excel. Now go forth and conquer your data.